Hi, I'm Ben and welcome to my YouTube channel, Recipes Around the World. I'm the creator of Recipes Around the World, and I invite you to check out my blog at recipesaroundtheworld.com for a rich selection of food and beverage recipes from around the world. Now, today's video is a part of my bartending series where I'll be walking you guys through 11 categories of drinks in the bartending universe. The category we're doing for this video is highballs, and the drink we're going to be making today is a Malibu Bay Breeze, a very popular drink rich with flavor that's perfect for any festive occasion, okay? Any holiday occasion, and Malibu Bay Breeze will do the job for you. So, just some technical history on this drink, as I do with all my videos. The main liquor base for this drink is Malibu Bay Rum, and Malibu Bay Rum was created by a gentleman named Tom Jago, okay? Tom Jago was a pioneer in the liquor business, and he was the driving force behind other notable brands like Bailey's Irish Cream and the Johnnie Walker Blue Label. So this rum has a very storied history. It's a rum that has this particular brand has a sweet coconut base, which is a great complement for the mixers we're going to use, which is going to be pineapple juice and cranberry juice. And just a great rum full of flavor. And so it's good to have that technical knowledge as we go into the drink, so you appreciate the history and where this drink comes from, okay? So, like I said, we're in the highball category. With all highball drinks, we're gonna make them in a highball glass, a 7 to 9 ounce glass like this one. Just so you know, highball drinks are by far the most commonly served drinks in most bars, most establishments, okay? We're gonna fill this glass with ice. We're gonna use Malibu Bay Rum as a liquor base, pineapple juice, cranberry juice. We're going to garnish it with a lime, a cherry, an umbrella, and of course with all highball drinks, we're going to finish it off with a straw, okay? So let's make this drink. So first off, we start off, I'm going to fill my glass with ice, but I'm not going to make the drink in the glass because I'm going to use a shaker, okay? So I'll make my drink in the shaker, and then we're going to use the shaker strain to filter the drink into our glass, okay? So like I said, we're going to start off with Malibu Bay Rum. It's always 1 ounce. I'm using a pour right here. So 1 ounce in our pouring glass into our shaker, okay? We're going to fill it up with our mixers, which is pineapple juice and cranberry juice. Most people add a little bit more pineapple juice than cranberry juice. Okay, so to accomplish that, I'm going to start pouring the pineapple juice first, and then jump in with the cranberry. Okay, gets a nice flavor. That does the job for me. I like that. We're going to give it a nice little shake. Okay. Shakers are good to get the flavor in. You can also use an alcohol mixer, but shakers are always good when you have two or more mixers. So check this out, Boom. Yeah, man. I like the way that looks. Okay, that looks good to me. And then to finish off, we always go for the aesthetics. Give it some nice flavor. We're going to garnish it with a slice of lime, a lime wedge. Okay. We're going to add in a cherry. We're going to add a nice umbrella because this is a festive drink, a nice umbrella to complement our cherry on the side. That looks beautiful. I like that. And of course, to finish this off, we always finish all highball drinks with a straw. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our Malibu Bay Breeze. Again, a very beautiful drink, great for any festive occasion. That coconut is going to give it a nice sweet aftertaste, layered in with a pineapple juice and a cranberry juice. Lovely drink. I enjoy this drink a lot when it's on a hot summer day, if I'm having barbecuing or anything like that. So I encourage you to try this drink at home, give this recipe a shot. try making it, and I'd love to see what you think. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Please check out my other drink videos and other food videos, and also check out the blog again at recipesaroundtheworld.com. I am Ben. I hope you had fun today with me, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Cheers.